Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to You Do It. Today I'm gonna show you how to slice like a real chef. And I'm gonna use this old knife because being a chef means that you never have a new knife. See, this is an old knife that won't go through a tomato or an onion. Because if you want to be like a chef, you need to know how to sharpen your knife. So for that I'm gonna use another knife with a square back. I'm gonna do this. Let's see what this does. Yeah, that's a whole different story. I'm using old tomatoes that I want to save as much as I can from. Alright. So you use your fingernail, not the finger, but the fingernail as a guide. See? So you can put a knife at the angle away from your finger. Yeah. Get rid of a little bit there. So always use a finger as a guide. And then you just move it. Let me show you one. Slowly. Just like that. So actually, when you're slicing through onions, your knife never leaves the cutting board, it kind of glides over it. This gives you the precision that you want. And now this is the action that your hand should be taking. There. Do it again. I actually do it this way. Hey, You Do It is not only about power tools. This is a tool too. So, see? Kind of guide and slide. Let's go slow. And faster. slow. Well, this one you don't have to slide it actually, because it just breaks off. So you can actually go. Only this is much louder. It's up to you. Either way, you can go like that. Let's do it again. Okay. Or you can just chop it like this. Okay. And with practice it becomes faster and faster. Some sour cream, sea salt. You do it.